Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a collective haul. I did a little shopping at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and I have one little Tuesday morning share that I would like to share with you guys. So let's just jump right on in. Let's start with this super adorable bag. I picked this up. They're 30% off at Michael's. They're super cute for obviously for Easter baskets or Easter Happy Mail. So I picked up one and I've already got it full. I'm going to be gifting this to somebody. But I just wanted to share with you guys this super cute bag. Look at the ears and the little bow, and I love the little face. And then that's the back, and it has the drawstring, so it does close up, but I already have stuff in here, so it's not going to close anymore. But super adorable bag, and I think it was originally $2.99 plus the 30% off. I did pick up these items from the $2 bin. I picked up this pink tag set, and it has the iridescent around it, and then this teal colored one is, and it's really, really pretty. I just like the spring colors. The day that I picked these up, it was probably last week sometime. They had a 30% off coupon that day. Always check Michael's coupons before you go in because every day it's different. And the day that I went, they had the 30% off regular price purchases. So I was able to get the $2 stuff for like, I don't know, like $1.30 or something like that. I can't remember. So I picked up this embossing folder, which comes with a stamp set. It's open because I've already been playing with it, and I will share with you a card that I'm working on soon with this embossing folder. I did pick up the ice cream set, and it has the super cute stamp. And then I had to get the rainbow one, which is adorable, and I love the little rainbow stamp. And then I also picked up a couple of these notebooks for traveler's notebooks. So this is just a journal, and this is a stitch journal as well, and it's a mermaid theme, so super pretty. And then, oh, here's the unicorn. I did get this one with the super cute stamp. Can't wait to play with that. And then, of course, I had to get the purple iridescent tags as well. I love the way that these look, and I can't wait to play with them. So that is from the $2 bin, and then I did get this stamp set. It says, "I love you more than ice cream," which I thought was super cute. So I'm gonna play with that stamp as well. And then they had some clearance paper, so I picked up this one sheet of sparkly glitter. I can't remember, it might have been like, I don't know, 40 or 50 cents. I can't remember, you guys, but it was on clearance, and I plan on running this paper through some Biggs dies because I want to create some embellishment boxes, and I thought that would be really fun to use this paper since it's so sparkly on some dies like that. And then I also picked up this sheet, and this was also in clearance, and I figured I could use this one. It's glittery and sparkly, and that's perfect for spring and Easter projects. So I just picked up one sheet of that, and again, it was clearance, you guys, so it was probably like 40, 50, 60 cents. I can't remember, but picked it up. And then I did pick up a new paper pad, and this is the new Martha Stewart paper pad. Absolutely loved this pad, so I had to pick it up, and I did use a coupon. And this is double-sided, so I'll do a quick flip through if you haven't seen it. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a tropical theme. So you got your flamingos and your palm trees, and it's just really, really pretty. And it's 2 of each sheet, so this is the back of this one. And then this one even has some foiling on it, which is absolutely gorgeous. So there's 2 of that one, and you got this side right here, and then you got the really pretty flamingos on the back. And then you got this like cheetah print, and then you've got this one right here, which has some foiling on it. Really pretty. And then this really pretty page right here. I love the palm trees. And then you got the little, I guess, lizards or alligators. I don't know what those are, maybe geckos. And then you've got this page with the cheetah print again. And then you've got the cheetahs with all the palm trees. And then you've got this page right here. And then on the back is some pineapples, and they're all foiled, if you can see that. Really, really cute. So we have this page right here, and on the back it has this page with the green foiling. Really pretty. And this one is polka dot, and then it has the pretty flamingos on the back. And then you've got blue, and then you've got the the palm tree, I guess the leaves on this one with the foil. Very pretty. And you got this one right here, which is gorgeous. And then this page, I'm not really fond of that one. And that's the, you know, some of these paper pads, you don't love them all, but most of them I do like. And this one again has the foiling on it, if you can see that, so pretty. So then you got the back of this one, and then you've got floral on the opposite page. And I love, love, love that it's double-sided. And that's the way this one looks. There's no foil on that. I love this blue and white page. And then you got swimming pools and palm trees. How super cute is that, you guys? And then here's another palm tree page. It's just really pretty colors. And again, the lizards, and they have green foiling on them. And then this page has little tiny palm trees. And then you've got the back of this one with the pretty flamingo. And then this is the last page right here, this pretty yellow. And then you get this gorgeous floral with the red foiling on it. So pretty. So I'm looking forward to playing with this pad right here. And I don't know what it's called. It's just this double-sided sheets. There's no name on it. Oh, it's just called Tropical. So this is in the new paper in the scrapbooking section if you want to try to find it. And then the hot buys are on sale this week. So I did pick up this one right here. It's Blush Romance. And I'll do a quick flip through, but it's just really pretty light colors. And I figured for Easter and spring projects, I could really use this. So I picked this up along with another Ooh La La, which I was so excited to find because my store they had sold out of it, but randomly I just saw one the other day and I was like, oh my gosh, so I picked that up and it was 70% off. So I was very happy about that. All right, I'm gonna share with you a couple little things I found at Hobby Lobby. I picked up these super cute bows and they were 40% off, and I just figured I could use them on Happy Mail or packaging, and they're just little girl barrettes, but you know, we can just use this to alter projects with. So I love the purple ones, of course, and these were 40% off, so pick those up. And then I found some of these self-adhesive bags at Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to share these with you in case you're looking for packaging. This whole set was $4.99, and this is what the packaging looks like. And it is in the jewelry section. So if you're looking for packaging, that is where you can find these. I hadn't seen these before, and I just saw them yesterday, and I was like, oh, I need to grab some of those. So just went ahead and picked it up. I didn't use a coupon because I used my coupon on something else, but that's okay. This is new to me. I found this paper pad at Hobby Lobby yesterday, and it was $5.99, and it's an Echo Park, and it's called Fashionista. Let me do a flip through of this because it's so super cute. All right, so, and it is double-sided. So you get this page and then this super cute page right here. And you got a little town scene. And then the back of this one looks like that. And then you've got this cute little handbag and sunglass page. And then on this side, it looks like that, the pretty floral. And then you got this plaid, like red and black plaid, I guess. And then you've got a solid color, and then you've got that fun design right there, and the back of that. And then the cute little lipstick and lips and makeup. Super, super cute. For all you fashionistas, a pretty floral. And then this page right here, like kind of like nail polish or lipstick. And then you get a solid, and then you get the super cute polka, and then the little tiny bows on this page. I mean, how adorable is this paper? And then you get the little dress forms on this side, really pretty. And then black and white polka dot. And then super cute high heels. And then this is a solid. And then look at this fun page. I love that. And I love the black and white striped. And then you got this pretty floral, really pretty. And then this page right here. And then I think well, no, I'm not sure. Does it repeat itself? It has all these words on here. Fabulous, runway. And then I think it repeats itself. Yep, it looks like it does. So super cute paper pad that I found at Hobby Lobby. If you see that, I think it's new. So I grabbed that, and then I grabbed some of this tulle. This was on the clearance and it was only 55 cents, but I plan on wrapping up some packaging with this, so that's why I bought that. And then the other thing that I found at Hobby Lobby is one of these hoops, and it's one of like the smaller ones, and it was only like $1, what is it? Yeah, $1.29, and this is just a 6-inch hoop, and I do plan on doing a hoop project. I want to try one, so I went ahead and picked one up. And then what else did I find? I did pick up these really cute straws from Walmart, and I'm sure you guys may have seen these already, but I especially love these ones with the gold little foil on them. Super cute. And then the one thing I did find at Tuesday Morning, which I am gifting to a friend, is this house mouse stamp, which I thought was absolutely adorable. Now, personally, I'm not really into the house mouse stamps, but I know a lot of you ladies are, so I figured I would share this in case you wanted to try to find it. And there is the number right there in case you want to look for it. All right, that is my haul and share with you today. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.